The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market, primarily for its robust 1800W peak motor, which offers a thrilling riding experience tailored for adults. This bike is designed for versatility, catering to both daily commuters and off-road enthusiasts. After extensive use, the Aipas M1 Pro has impressed with its performance, features, and overall value. Starting with the design, the Aipas M1 Pro sports a sleek, modern aesthetic that appeals to a wide audience. The frame is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, which not only makes the bike lightweight but also incredibly durable. This is particularly beneficial for urban commuting, where navigating through traffic and managing curb hops might be necessary. The bike's geometry ensures a comfortable riding position, striking a balance between leisure and sporty ergonomics. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow for customization, making it suitable for riders of varying heights. One of the most exciting features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its powerful 1800W peak motor. Coupled with a 48V20L lithium-ion battery, this electric bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, depending on terrain and rider weight. This level of power means that conquering steep hills becomes a breeze, while long-distance rides remain accessible without exhausting pedaling. The motor is responsive, providing quick acceleration that can be exhilarating for riders who enjoy an adrenaline rush. Moreover, the pedal assist feature allows riders to choose how much help they want from the motor, making it practical for various riding conditions. Battery life is a significant consideration for any electric bike, and the Aipas M1 Pro does not disappoint. With an estimated range of 60 to 80 miles on a single charge, this bike is ideal for long commutes or weekend adventures. The battery is removable, which is a thoughtful design element that allows for convenient charging. Riders can charge it at home or comfortably at the office, eliminating the worry of running out of power during a ride. The charging time is relatively short, typically around 6 to 8 hours, making it easy to keep the bike ready for use. The Aipas M1 Pro also excels in braking performance. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, the bike offers reliable stopping power, which is crucial for safety, especially when riding at higher speeds. The brakes are responsive and provide smooth engagement, allowing for precise control during descents or abrupt stops. Furthermore, the bike features front and rear lights, enhancing visibility during night rides, which is an essential aspect of safety that should not be overlooked. Suspension plays a vital role in ride comfort, and the Aipas M1 Pro features a front suspension fork designed to absorb shocks effectively. This feature allows the bike to handle rough terrains like dirt trails or cobblestone streets with ease, making it versatile for both city and off-road conditions. The bike's 26-inch wheels paired with wider tires provide excellent traction and stability, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the surface. User-friendly technology is another highlight of the Aipas M1 Pro. The bike comes with an LCD display that provides essential information, including speed, battery level, distance traveled, and even the mode of assistance selected. This feature allows riders to monitor their performance easily and make informed decisions about battery management. Additionally, the inclusion of multiple riding modes means that riders can tailor their experience to suit different environments or personal preferences, whether they want to conserve battery life or enjoy a faster ride. Despite its many strengths, there are a few areas where the Aipas M1 Pro could improve. For instance, while the bike is equipped with fenders, they could be more robust to better protect against splashes during wet conditions. Furthermore, the assembly process, while straightforward, may require some basic mechanical knowledge, especially for those who are not accustomed to bike assembly. In conclusion, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a powerful and versatile option for adult riders seeking an electric bike that performs well in a variety of conditions. With its sturdy design, impressive motor capabilities, robust battery life, and focus on safety,